Very good morning and welcome back to the class, children. In today's science class, we are going to continue the 17th lesson, that is sound. So in the previous class itself, we have started this lesson sound, and we have learned few things about sound. So shall we recollect once again what we learned in the previous class, and shall we continue this lesson? Okay, before that, I want everyone to take your science book and turn to the page 97. So, in this page number 97, we learnt how sound is made. So, sound is made by vibrating things. For example, the sound made when we speak or sing. For example, the flaps of skin, it starts vibrating in our throat. So those flaps of skin are called vocal cords. VOCAL, vocal, CORDS, vocal cords, right? And we saw this activity, how to make this. Okay, then in page numbers 98, we saw how the external ear helps. So what is the name of the external ear? Pinna, 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 right? Then we saw a lizard, birds, frogs, they'll have naked eardrums, and fish, snakes, how they'll feel their vibration through their body only. Okay, now I want everyone to turn to the page 99. So in this page number 99, we have completed direction of sound also. Now we'll move on to the next subheading, musical instruments. Okay, musical instruments. Okay, musical instruments are of different types, of course. Only few musical instruments we might have known, but there are different types of musical instruments. In some, like guitars, sitars, and tanpuras, sound is made by the vibration of strings. So these types of musical instruments like guitars, sitars, and tanpuras, how the sound is made? By the vibrations of strings. Here is a way of making a single string instrument. An Indian string instrument called ektara also has a single string. Now underline this word, ektara. EKTARA, ektara. So actually this instrument is said to be ektara. The special of this instrument is, it is a single string. You can see only one string in between. Single string instrument. Actually this is an Indian string musical instrument. Okay, now activity they have given to make this ektara. Stretch a rubber band across a pencil box like this. Stretch a rubber band across a pencil box. Push an eraser under the rubber band. So under the rubber band you have to push an eraser. This way you will be able to change the length of the rubber band by moving the eraser. Of course, when you move the eraser, you can able to change the length, okay, of it. Musicians change the length of strings by pressing them. So how the musicians will change the string? By pressing it. Pluck the rubber band and listen to the sound made by her. Now immediately pluck the rubber band, you'll get a sound. Okay, the harder you pluck the string, the larger the vibrations will be. So how much harder, how much force you are applying to pluck the eraser, so that much larger the vibration you will get. This will make the sound become louder. So when you put so much effort, that is the harder, the sound will become louder. You can make the sound produced by the rubber band change in another way. Okay? Move the eraser to change the length of the rubber band. The shorter the length becomes, the sharper or shriller the sound will be. Okay? Now take page number 100. Okay? In this page, in tablas, mridangams and drums, sound is made by the vibration of a stretched skin. So you can see the stretched skin. So here only the sound will come. The skin is stretched over a hollow body made of metal, wood or clay. So the skin is stretched over a hollow body made by wood, or it can be made by metal or clay. Make your own drums and see how the sound produced changes with the size of the drum. So you will get the sound according to the size of the drum. So you can make a simple drum by using simple things like stretch pieces of balloons over the mouth of cans and tins of different sizes. You can use different sizes. So you have to stretch balloon over this mouth of this. You can also experiment with cardboard boxes and tubes also. Strike the drums with a pencil or a stick and listen like this. With a stick or pencil you can strike it. Larger drums will make a deeper sound. See, when you compare all these three, this one is larger. So this thing, it will get a deeper sound. In wind instruments like flutes, sound is produced by the vibrations of air inside a hollow tube. So wind instruments means the sound will be produced by a vibrations of air inside the hollow tube. You can cut drinking straws to different lengths and blow it into them. This will need some practice. It will be easier to make a jal tarang. So here they have given. Line up a few glasses of the same size. See how they have shown in the picture. Like this you have to line up glasses of same size. Pour different amounts of water into the glass. You can see little amount of water, more than this, more than this and more than this. Strike them with the pencil. So with the pencil you have to strike it. And you can see how the noise is getting when you hit this and this. Okay. Now everyone turn to the page 101. So in page number 101 you are having answer the following, fill in the blanks and true or false. Anyway, we'll be writing question answers in our classwork. So we'll start from fill in the blanks. Okay. The buzzing sound of insects comes from vibrating wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. Second one. The sharpness of the sound made by a string depends on its what? Length. L-E-N-G-T-H, length. Third one. In a flute, sound is produced by the vibrations of air. A-I-R, air. Bees feel vibrations with their feelers. F-E-E-L-E-R-S, feelers. Fish feel vibrations through their body. B-O-D-Y, body. Next, true or false? Frogs do not have vocal cords. Frogs will have vocal cords. So first one is false. F-A-L-S-E. Then only mammals have vocal cords. Not only mammals. Okay, mammals, birds, frogs also will have. So second one also false. Then third one. Larger drums make a deeper sound. Of course, true. Snakes cannot feel vibration. Snakes will feel vibration. So fourth one is false. The harder you pluck a string, the louder will be the sound made by it. True. So my dear children, I hope so you all able to understand this lesson, and you have completed this fill in the blanks and true or false. So don't waste your time, please go through the lesson. Okay, thank you children, thank you so much.